How much time does it take you to check your unread notifications? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, or just barely a few seconds? If that's the case, chances are you're addicted to technology and social media, which were primarily invented to help us network better, but now they're just making us addicted. Now, some people might say that they're not addicted to technology, they just enjoy using it. But they often are the same kind of people who always say that I wish I had some more time to focus on the things I love. And it reminds me of a very famous quote that says that the price of anything is the amount of life you exchange for it. And I think it's very much true in this particular case. Hi, my name is Shivam. I'm the author of 2 self-help books and a certified emotional intelligence life coach. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why do we get addicted to smartphones and how can we get out of it. So make sure you keep watching this video till the end. And when we start to think about it, why do we get addicted to our smartphones? Because phones are not drugs. Just think about this for a moment. Thousands of people have surgery every day and given very strong painkillers, but very few of them get addicted. Why is that? Because addiction is about soothing psychological distress. It is using something to cope with a problem in life. And you only develop an addiction when there's some psychological motive that hasn't been fulfilled for you. Be it loneliness, or the fact that you have been bullied before, or just that you cannot make good things happen in your life. It doesn't really matter what you use to get rid of that addiction, be it playing a particular game that gives you that distraction or just using a smartphone. And since we are living a lifestyle that always triggers our anxieties, we always end up checking our smartphones. That helps us get rid of that anxiety. And hence we always end up checking our smartphones, looking at notifications or just doing anything in order to get rid of that anxiety. But it's not completely your fault either. It's the way social media and all the smartphone devices that has been designed in a way to make sure that you always end up getting addicted to them by always engaging your dopamine levels and always showing you what you want to see and hence giving you an instant reward system. So these are some of the reasons why you always end up getting addicted to your social medias, why you always end up checking your smartphones even when you don't want to. And understanding that is the first step towards getting rid of that social media addiction. So here are some ways you can stop checking your phone all the time and get rid of the social media addiction. The first thing is pause and reflect upon why do you want to check your phone. So every time you're about to unlock your phone, take a moment to think, why are you doing this right now? Do you need to perform a task or are you just bored? If you need to perform a task like texting someone or just checking your important mail, just do the task and put your phone away. And if you were picking the phone up just because you were bored, remind your brain that this is not the time for it and hence replace that activity with something else, something that would be much more productive to you. The second way would be to replace your night scrolling with reading. And I think most of us have this habit of checking our smartphones till the last moment of the day. And we have the habit of constantly scrolling our Instagram or Twitter feed endlessly till the moment we sleep. And the moment we wake up, we again pick up our phones and then start scrolling. So this is how our day looks like throughout the day and the night. And this is something that really needs to be changed. And I emphasize on the word change because no bad habit can be eradicated. You can only replace a bad habit with a good habit. And hence for you to be able to replace this habit, to be able to replace this night scrolling and day scrolling, you need to replace it with something other beneficial habit. So I believe reading a book would offer much healthier alternative to night scrolling. And this is something that you can always work upon in order to change those particular bad habits. The third thing would be to understand the source of anxiety. And like I said before, that our anxieties often push us towards always checking our smartphones because we always find that dopamine levels, we always find that instant pleasure associated with that. And we always forget about anxiety when we're checking smartphones. So when you start understanding your anxiety, what are you feeling at that particular point? Are you scared? Are you fearful? Try to understand what you're feeling, why you're feeling, and then work on it rather than checking your smartphone. Imagine this for an instance, your result is due today and you're very scared and anxious because of it. And now because of that anxiousness and because of that fear, you're always ending up checking your smartphone. So that anxiety is always forcing you to check your smartphone so that you can avoid feeling anxious, so that you can avoid feeling that fear. The best way to be able to deal with this situation would be to understand that particular situation, to be able to understand the source of anxiety, that I'm feeling anxious because my result is due today, and hence try to replace that social media scrolling with a good walk, with a long walk, and maybe talking with your family about it. And the more you talk to your family about that particular result, the more you talk to your friends about that particular result, your anxiety will fade up with that as well. So it's important to replace that social media scrolling with something that could be much healthier, something that would help you calm down as well. So try to understand the source of anxiety and that would always help you get rid of that social media addiction. The fourth way would be to turn off your notifications, and personally I'm a big fan of this because at times you're too much overwhelmed by the amount of notifications you get and you always end up checking them. So the best way would be to turn off your notifications and check them periodically, maybe in an hour, maybe in 2 hours, or maybe in 3 hours, whenever you get the time to do so. and that way your unread notifications will not urge you to check your phone. So this is something that I have been using, and I am a big fan of this as well. The fifth way would be to install some screen time apps, and I believe there are lot many apps on Apple iStore and Play Store as well, where you can always access your screen time on all the different social media platforms. And once you install that, you'll be able to see how much time you're devoting every day on those particular apps, and understanding that would again urge you, would always help you towards working on it. So if you're using Instagram for 3 hours a day, you would be able to understand that no, I should not use it for 3 hours a day, and then you can slowly work upon it and then reduce the time a little, and then eventually you can reach a stage where you want to reach. So this is something that can always motivate you towards working and setting a goal for yourself, that I want to use my social media only for these many hours, and those applications would always help you in this particular regard. So these are some of the ways you can get rid of social media addiction, and you can stop checking your phone all the time. And I hope you like this video, and if you do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.